Hello beautifuls, it's Nancy from Simple Beauty TV. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you a simple remedy to remove dark spots and make your face fair with no acne scars. This remedy is so simple, you can do it in 5 minutes because you can find all the ingredients in your house. But make sure to subscribe and turn the bell icon on to never miss any of awesome effective remedy. We will need 1 tablespoon of kapoor powder, add 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil, and add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Then add 1 capsule of vitamin E, then add 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. Mix all the ingredients together so well. This will make any dark spots or dark patches disappear. And this cream will last you for 7 days. Then apply a good amount on your skin and massage it for 2 minutes. And if you have any scars, acne scars, this cream will fade it by making it lighter. This is an easy, simple remedy that you can do in 5 minutes, but the results are amazing. So that was it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell icon on to never miss any effective remedies coming up. And see you in my next video. Bye!